Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how you can trace an image in Photopea, so let's get right into it. For this tutorial, I'll be using this image of a dog. I'll be showing you how you can trace it. Now, this is in the background. You can load up whichever image you would like and it should work perfectly the same. Now, what you need to use is you need to use the brush tool and you can right click and modify the size. Let's say, for example, I want it this small. Now, to enlarge the picture so that you can trace it even better, you just need to use Control plus or Control minus to zoom out, depending on what you want. And firstly, what you want to do is create a new layer that is above the background or above the layer that you are tracing. For example, since there's only one layer here, you just need to go here and click on New Layer and make sure it is positioned above the background, since if it is behind and I draw over it, as you can see, nothing applies. However, if I go back or redo it and place it above and draw over it, as you can see, now it draws perfectly. The way that you can select color, I have forgotten how to do that. However, I'll use the dropper. For example, let's say I want to use this black color, then go into the actual brush tool. Let me just decrease the size a bit more and increase the size of the puppy a bit more. And now you can just draw however you would like. Just decrease it a bit more, and as you can see, now I can trace the puppy at all times. I won't trace the entire actual image. However, let's trace it up to here, up to the hip. And if I zoom out, it would look something like this. And if I deleted the layer with the puppy, I'm left with the trace line of the puppy itself. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.